Hi guys, I just got my coffee from Tim Hortons. Yeah, so I'm done from my appointment. I saw my OB. Everything is good, looks good, and next week she gave me the induction. So yeah, next week, either I'm not sure, Monday or Tuesday, they're gonna call me, and then yeah, they will let me know when to go to the hospital, which is exciting. I'm so excited for it, so, and nervous at the same time. Yeah, so that's good. At least I have my weekend, and this today is Monday, so Tuesday, Wednesday, I have like about a week to get ready and finish everything. So yeah, it's awesome. I just got my coffee, so now I'm just gonna go get some Popeyes for the kids and then go home. Yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and if you're new or you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Actually, you like yours?
No.
You don't like it? You don't like your fries? Everyone, I'm just here doing my makeup. Beauty sponge is from Morphe, and the foundation I'm using is MAC Studio Fix SPF 15 and C27. Do my makeup and talk with you guys. Yeah, so today I thought I can do a full glam. It's a great idea to just show it to you guys. For my concealer, this is Morphe C155, and this one is Jacqueline Cosmetic. This is Fair Light Peach, which is a bit lighter on my skin, but yeah, I still use it. The same beauty blender to blend this. By the way, I'm filming in my bedroom. Today is just very cloudy. I don't see no light here, and I don't even have any extra lighting, so it's pretty dark here. So now I'm gonna use this palette. It's pretty messy, it's almost done. Use for my to set my under eye, and this brush is Morphe. I'm mixing these three shades and just setting my under eye. And I don't even have my AirPods, so I don't know how the audio is gonna be. I hope it's good. If not, then I have to do a voiceover. I just want to use this lip sleeping mask. I really like this, it's really nice. So this is Anastasia pomade soft brown, and this brush and this spoolie is from Morphe as well. So it has a brush and a spoolie.
Mom, I wish I had a Starbucks, right?
Yeah, when we go up, I'm gonna get you.
Mom, but we have to go to the mall to get one, but we don't know which way is the mall.
You have appointment. I'm gonna take you today, okay? To get some Starbucks for you. I'm using this fluffy brush from Morphe. And then this is from MAC NC25 Stay You Fix. Just all over my face. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell time, jingle bell. Morphe and Jacqueline Hill. JH02. I'm using this MAC bronzer. This is Sun Power. These are all the products that I use on a daily basis. For the blush, I'm using MAC. This is in the shade Gentle. Is Morphe No Number. Morphe E62. Yeah. And now I'm just gonna highlight my face and then I'll go to my eyes. So here is this is Jacqueline highlighter in the shade Ice. One of my absolute favorite. So the lighting, as I said, is really bad. Move on to my eyes. My baby just woke up. This is one of my favorite palettes. Actually my everyday palette. But today I want to use a different palette, not this one. Or maybe I'll just use this one. Yeah. Look how messy is this. And this is the brush. Jacqueline 32. Jacqueline Hill 32. And the shade I'm just going to use is... I'm going to use the Silk Cream. My baby just woke up. I had to put him back to sleep, give him some milk, and then yeah, let's get back to the eye. Yes, I'm using this shade Silk Cream. Same on this eye. I'm just gonna, with these shades, you can go super messy if you want to. It doesn't look bad at all. You just blend it, blend. That's why this palette is just my favorite, because you can just go as messy as you want with these shades. Like all these shades, like over here. Yeah, I love them all. Morphe M166, and the shade I'm gonna use, actually I'm gonna use the Patrick Ta palette now. So with the same brush, I'm just gonna go with the shade, with this shade. Just a little bit on the outer corners and bring it inwards. These shades are so pigmented, so nice. I love it. And I'm gonna use this brush, Morphe M166. Use the same shade for the lower lash line. I'm also gonna go a little bit darker. I'm gonna go with this darker shade for the lower lash line. Love these shades. It's so buttery and so nice to work with. So I'm gonna use the same brush again. Use this shade over here.
Oh, it's been said many times, many ways. Merry Christmas.
I'm gonna go back with do some highlights. Morphe Time Jacqueline Hell 38, and the shade is I'm using is in light brown. Sephora, my all-time favorite, and let's do this eyeliner. That's it. Today I just want to wear this lipstick. This is Saint Germain from MAC. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes with this. This is from MAC. Oh, and this is the mascara I'm using. It's from MAC. I think that's it. One more last step. I have this Fix Plus from MAC. This is the travel size. That's about it, guys. So this is the makeup for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment. If you guys like to see more of makeup tutorials, let me know in the comment as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready for my toddler's appointment, to take him for his appointment to our family doctor, and yeah, I'll see what else I can share with you guys. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Yeah.
Yeah, it was not M, it's only L.
Okay, so Maka is here. Maka.
A5.
That's the room number.
A5.
You said you like this room?
I don't know why do we always get A5. I don't know, I've got so many doors to go. I don't know.
Stop. Are you bored? No.
Yeah, well, I'm bored, so that's why I do that.
No, don't do that, please.